Hello guys, welcome to my Not Master YouTube channel. So I have published there are about 500 videos from this channel. First of all, I will explain. I have come long time for uh, new video. Then I published joined several video and hitches, climbing notes, adventure note, rescue notes. I have published like that videos from this channel. Today I have come explain you most important note for you. There are about 3 notes I will publish you. First of all, I found like this synthetic rope. Then rope ends took like this and turn and again turn comes bottom to up and pull. I got very tight knot. Can't release anyone. Most useful knot. This knot we can use day by day works. Then daily activities we can use this knot. I will do again. Ropes ends keep like this. Then turn. After that comes bottom to up and pull. I kept like this tight knot. So this knot we can use variety type ropes we can tie together. I will do again how to tie this knot. Small turn, then bottom to up. Very simple knot. Very tight knot. You can try tie this knot. So my today video is over. I will come again next week. So I remember you. I got 1,500 subscribers from this channel. Thanks all. I will come next week. Have a good day.